Lisää YouTube Automaatiosta. No niin, hei, tervetuloa mun kanavan pariin. Mä oon tosiaan Panu Arino ja tällä kertaa puhutaan vähän lisää YouTube Automaatiosta. Siitä mä oon tehnyt aiemmin videon, mutta mennään vähän syvemmälle aiheeseen ja kerrataan niitä vanhoja tietoja. Ja jos ette ole katsonut aiempaa videota, niin tossa on linkki siihen, päästä sitten tsekkaa siitä. Mutta tehdään tää tällä kertaa vähän eri tavalla, koska puhutaan YouTube Automaatiosta, missä käytetään tosi paljon tekoälyä avuksi, ajatuksia ja kaikkea muuta, mistä kohta kerron teille lisää, niin tehdään tääkin video täysin eri lailla. Joten hei, otaks sä koppia tästä ajasta? Mä käyn hoitaa pari juttua sillä aikaa. Tää viihdyttää teitä sen aikaa. Nähdään, moi.
YouTube Automation uses tools and services to create and manage videos automatically. This means YouTubers don't have to make every video themselves and can focus on other things. Automation helps with planning, filming, editing, and posting. When YouTubers automate, they can use their time better and focus on important decisions. This also gives them more free time for their personal life and other projects, making them more efficient and productive. This includes getting help with making videos, filming, editing, and marketing. It ensures good quality and interesting content for viewers. Getting help can also bring new ideas to improve the channel. The goal is to make passive income that grows over time. Passive income is money you earn without constant work, which is appealing to many. Automation can increase channel views, leading to more money and popularity. As views go up, so does ad revenue and sponsorships, making your channel more successful. One popular tool for YouTube automation is in video. It simplifies video creation using templates, saving time and effort. You can automate news videos, tutorials, and product demos. Strategies include scheduling content and automatic publishing. This ensures there's always new content, keeping viewers engaged and the channel popular. Analytics tools are crucial. They help track video performance and adjust strategies, improving content and ensuring viewer satisfaction. TubeBuddy is another important tool. It offers keyword research, tag optimization, and bulk processing, helping your channel appear in searches. Hootsuite helps manage social media by scheduling posts on different platforms, keeping you connected with your audience. For project management, Trello is a game changer. It organizes tasks, facilitates teamwork, and tracks video production. Canva is great for making eye-catching thumbnails and social media graphics. It's user-friendly with many templates, making design quick and simple. VidIQ is excellent for video analytics and optimization. It provides insights into video performance and suggests ways to improve content strategy. Ultimately, YouTube Automation gives you more free time, the chance to enjoy other activities, and a better work-life balance while growing your channel and income. Now that we understand what YouTube Automation is, let's look at some examples of videos that you can create with this method. YouTube Automation makes it easy and efficient to produce different kinds of content. For example, tutorial videos are a popular choice. They offer valuable information and can help viewers learn new skills. You can use tools like InVideo for editing and transitions, which makes the process smoother. Another good example is product demos. In these videos, you can showcase the latest products and their features. Showcasing products and their features can attract a lot of viewers who are interested in buying. Finally, consider vlogs. You can automate the editing and transitions, saving time and effort. Tools like InVideo help maintain a regular publishing schedule and let you focus on the creative process. YouTube Automation offers an effective way to keep your channel active and interesting, while continuously analyzing and improving your content. Listicle videos are another great example. They are easy to produce and can cover a wide range of topics, attracting a diverse audience. Reaction videos are also popular. They allow you to engage with trending content and share your thoughts with your audience. Automation tools can help you schedule and plan your content in advance, ensuring a consistent upload schedule. Automated analytics allow you to easily track your performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your content strategy. Voiceover videos are another option. They allow you to create engaging content without having to be in front of the camera. AI tools can further enhance your editing process by adding filters and effects that make your videos stand out. Interacting with your audience through comments and social media can build a loyal community around your channel. Creating eye-catching thumbnails and graphics can significantly increase your click-through rate and attract more viewers. Ultimately, YouTube Automation helps you achieve your goals faster, allowing you to celebrate milestones and share your success with your team. Now that you know how to start YouTube Automation, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. Knowing these will save you time and help your channel grow more efficiently. First, don't neglect content quality. Automation helps with many tasks, but viewers will only stick around if your content is interesting and helpful. Spend time planning your videos and making them high quality, even if you're using automation tools. Second, avoid an irregular upload schedule. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Use scheduling tools to make sure your videos are published regularly, even when you're busy with other tasks. Third, don't forget your audience. Automation handles many things, but personal interaction with viewers is important. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Fourth, be careful with outsourcing. While hiring freelancers saves time, make sure they understand your vision and maintain the quality of your content. Always check their work before publishing. Finally, track your results, but don't get stuck on the numbers. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't, but focus on creating good content and building relationships with your audience. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make the most of YouTube Automation and build a successful channel. Keep learning, connect with your audience, and enjoy the journey.
Ja näin. Opitteko mitään uutta? Tuliko mitään järkevää sisältöä? Toivottavasti. Ja jos tykkäsit videosta, niin paina peukku ylös. Ja muista tilaa kanava. Mut tulee kuitenkin videot tällä hetkellä useamman kerran viikossa, niin et jää mistään paitsi. Ja jos ei jotain kysyttävää, niin heitä tuohon kommenttikenttään alapuolelle ne tulemaan, niin käydään ne sieltä yhdessä läpi. Mut ei mitään, mennään seuraavaan kerran. Kiitos, moi!